Hi there, I'm Coach Max and I'm thrilled to welcome you to our cardiac rehabilitation follow-along session. If you use a heart rate monitor, a fitness tracker, turn it on now. We want to get a baseline heart rate even before we begin to warm up. Let's talk about exercising safely, especially with heart conditions. Number one, you want to wear loose clothes that don't limit your movement. Number two, what intensity should I aim for? A great way to gauge your exercise intensity is the conversation test. Essentially, you want to aim to work out at a level where your breathing is noticeably deeper than usual, yet you can still hold a conversation. It's okay if speaking requires a bit of effort, but you shouldn't be so out of breath that you can talk. Number three, remember to have a water bottle close at hand to stay hydrated. Number four, always keep breathing. Whether during cardio or strength training, if you exercise while holding your breath, you could trigger abnormal heartbeat, not something we want. What's okay and what's not okay? Feeling warmer, noticing your heartbeat going up, experiencing moderate breathlessness during a workout, perfectly normal signs that your heart is getting a good workout. However, always listen to your body. If you experience severe shortness of breath, chest pain, irregular heartbeats, dizziness, or extreme tiredness, anything that feels off, really, please pause and take a break. If these symptoms ease quickly, you can cautiously continue. If they persist, safer to stop and save it for another day. Don't forget to report any unusual symptoms to your healthcare provider. Jot them down at the end of your exercise session to keep track of them. So, with all that in mind, let's start this exercise session focused on safety and boosting your heart health. Let's go! All right, so for today's workout, I'm here with Julia and Austin here laying on the ground. You're gonna need 2 bottles of waters, and you have 2 variations of this workout. You can do it standing up or using a chair. So we're gonna start our workout with static walk or seated marching, and Julia will show you the seated marching, I'll show you the static walk. And we go in 2, 1, we go for 90 seconds. So static walk for 90 seconds. Gonna get the body moving, the heart pumping gently. A warm-up will be around 3 minutes. If I'm giving you what's gonna happen, then we're gonna have a main workout with squats. So we're gonna be working on lower body. We're gonna have some standing row, triceps extension, biceps curl. So it's really a focus on your strength. And we're gonna have a 3-minute cool down. So overall, we're going in for a little over 10 minutes now. 45 seconds. So the height of your knee when you do this static march really depends on what you feel like. If you want to get it a little more challenging, you can lift your knee a little higher up. If you want to take it easy, you can just, walk without even lifting your knee. I just want you to keep moving. All right, another 10 seconds, and then we're gonna get the upper body moving with arm swings. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. All right, arm swings. So I want you to go wide and cross your arms down and up. Down and up. Really wanna get these shoulder moving because we're gonna be using them during our strength workout of today. So get this body moving. Speed depends on you. You decide how fast you go. Gonna give you a little variation. You can go up and down if you want to get the shoulders moving in a different direction, and if your amplitude allows it, it's really up to you. You can keep doing the cross version or go with a vertical version of it. Another 30 seconds. And then we're gonna jump into our main workout for today with squats or chair squat. I'm gonna show you how it works in 15 seconds. Very easy, don't worry. It's really to reinforce these lower body muscles. Another 5 seconds. And we're gonna start our first squat interval for 30 seconds. So, squat, body squat, or chair squat. If you're doing the chair squat, scoot at the front of your chair. Maybe you can use your hand to propel yourself. There you go. I want your back to be straight. And the depth really depends on how flexible you are. As you can see, I'm not super flexible, so I'm going probably to half a squat. Another 3 seconds. And we're gonna rest for 20 seconds. All right. The next movement, you're gonna need your water bottles for that. We're gonna do a row to triceps extension. So elbows tucked, you're gonna lift your elbows back and push the bottles at the back too. All right, so we're going for 30 seconds. So right above the knee, push your elbow, kick back, right? And back down. Lift your elbow, push back, and back down. There you go. Again, as you see, my back is straight. I'm not arching it. I want to push my butt back. There you go. Another 5 seconds. And we take a 20-second break. Our next movement for today will be a biceps curl. Lift your elbow to press. Let's go for 30 seconds. So biceps curl, I lift my elbow, I push up. I want my elbow to be always stuck to me. I don't want to have them opening, really. Right, so biceps curl, lift your elbow, push up, naturally. One last, and we take a 20-second break. All right. Taking our break, and we're gonna go back to our body weight squat. 10 seconds, we're back. So the body weight squat, you've done it before, or the chair squat. For the chair squat, you can maybe put your hand on your knees to help you go up. All right, let's do it. Down, up, down, up. Another one, down, up, down, up. All right, let's take a break. Another 10 seconds. And you're going back to your standing row triceps extension. Let's go. Extend, bring it back, down. Back and down. Push back, bring it back down. Good work. All right, always keep your neck neutral. Back, that's it. All right, another 10 seconds. Down. All right. Gonna rest a little bit, and we're gonna go back to our biceps curl to strict press. So biceps curl to strict press, as a reminder, hammer curl, lift your elbow, push up. All right, we go in 5. Let's go. Biceps curl to strict press. Back down. Up. Back up. And break. Last round, we're gonna go back to our bodyweight squat or chair squat, up to you. If you want to add a little difficulty, you can keep your water bottle in your hands for the next one, all right? Here we go, and let's go. I'm gonna keep my bottles for this one. Down. Another one. Again, the pace is really up to you. If you want to go faster, go faster. If you want to go slower, you can take it slow. I just want the movement to be clean and your back not arching. All right, and break. And then we're back to standing row to triceps extension with your water bottles. They're not leaving my hands. All right, let's go. So here, push back. That's it. Few more. All right, break. And the last one's gonna be our biceps curl to strict press, and then we're gonna switch to our cool down phase. We're almost done. Just keep it up a few more minutes and we'll be done. All right, let's go. Biceps curl to strict press. Biceps curl to strict press. The water bottle is too light. You can take a heavier one. You can also fill it with sand if you like it. You okay there, Austin? A few more. Last one. Good. All right, so we're gonna switch to our cool down. So the first movement of the cool down will be hip circles, 30-second each leg. So lift your knee up, open your hips. If it's too hard, just go with a lower amplitude. If you can't find your balance, that's fine. Go on a chair. Julia is showing you how to do it with Austin in the middle, but you get it. All right, you can do 30-second one leg, 30-second the other leg, or just do 1 minute alternating like Julia is doing, that's fine. So lift your knee, open. You want your hips to stay as much as possible not moving. Here, that's it. Keep your balance. I know that's hard. I have trouble doing that, trust me. Last one. All right, for the next minute, we're gonna do side to side knee touch. So lift your leg and touch the opposite, with the opposite hand your knee, like this. We're going for 1 minute. Speed and amplitude, again, really up to you. It works your balance, also your core, helps you get a better posture, and overall better balance. Really good exercises to do. It looks like not much, but trust me, 1 minute of that, you're gonna feel it. Couple more. Ooh, I'm starting to feel it. I think 1 minute is enough. All right, we switch to hamstring stretch. So hamstring stretch, super easy. We're gonna do 30-second the left leg. So put your heel forward, just slightly bent. I'm gonna do it on the side so you see it. So you want your knee to be extended. If you're bending your knee, you're not stretching it properly. So knee, leg extended, and you just bend over, trying to fold over above your knee, and you should feel the stretch in your hamstring. You want like a 2.5, 3 on 5 stretch maximum. You don't want to go beyond that. You don't want it to be painful. Just a mild discomfort is good. Couple more seconds. All right, switch knee, back up. There you go, slightly bend, slightly go over your knee. I want this leg extended. Toes pointing up. If it's hard, you can have the toe pointing or your foot resting to the floor. Not as efficient, right? So try to lift your foot, keep this leg extended. Couple more seconds, folks, and we're done for today. That was your strength session. Thanks for showing up. I really appreciate you taking the time to work on your health. And Julia, Austin, and I will see you another time. Take care of yourself. Bye, folks.